What's your name?
My name is Flora.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two sisters.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
No, I don't.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually watch TV.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise twice a week.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you eat out often?
No, I usually eat at home.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you traveled to?
I have been to India.
Where would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Morocco.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I like the beach.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
Do you have many friends?
No, I have a few friends.
What do you do with your friends?
We like to go out.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet them every weekend.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What do you do with your friends?
They are supportive.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English for work.
How long have you studied English?
I've studied English for 6 months.
Do you find English difficult?
No, it's okay.
What's the hardest part of English?
The hardest part is grammar.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is programming.
Do you get a lot of homework?
Yes, I get a lot.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
What's your favorite weather?
I like warm weather.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I prefer sunny days.
Is it usually hot in your country?
Yes, it's usually hot.
What season do you like best?
I like spring best.
What is your job?
I'm an engineer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you work?
I work at Supplesoft.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 3 years.
Do you want to change your job?
Yes, I want a new challenge.
Do you like shopping?
No, I don't like shopping much.
What do you usually buy when you go shopping?
I usually buy clothes.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping every month.
Do you like online shopping?
No, I prefer in-store shopping.
Do you like using social media?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Which social media platform do you use the most?
I use Instagram the most.
How much time do you spend online each day?
I spend about 1 hour online.
Do you think people use their phones too much?
No, it depends on the person.